Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If today is your first time coming across my channel, you are highly welcome here. Please don't make this very video your last. Make sure you go through the channel. You will see a whole lot of videos that will interest you to watch. And to all my returning subscribers, you guys are the real MVP. Guys, we've entered into a new year. A whole lot of us has our new year resolution, and some of them to double our earnings, how to make more money, including myself. So some of the ideas I'm going to be sharing in this video today, the practical ideas that I've tried, that I'm still trying, that is working for me, and they are working for a whole lot of people. So that is why I am making this video, to bring it to my channel, because you guys have been so good to me, always watching my videos, always giving me a thumbs up, leaving sweet comments. So that is why I am making this video today, to bring these ideas to you guys. So number one on my list today is selling on e-commerce platform. So if you have an existing business, if you are a business owner, you are not leveraging on platforms like Gigi, Ponga, Jumia. As you're watching this video, once you finish watching this video, make sure you jump on this site. Don't sleep on this site. Presently, I have my store on Ponga, I have my store on Jumia, I have my store on Gigi, and I know the amount of sales that I make on these platforms. And even if you don't have an existing product, all you need to do is to go to the market, research for high demand products, take quality pictures of those products, negotiate with the seller, and come back and upload these pictures on these platforms. Put your own profit, and you can also pay them to boost your product for you, and you start making massive sales. Yes, this number one is tested and trusted. I am doing it, and I'm still doing it, and a whole lot of people are also doing it, and they are seeing some results on this number one. And if you've tried it, or you are doing it already, please leave a comment in the comment section. So this brings us to number two on my list today. So the number two on my list today is digital products. So what is digital product? Digital product is simply you putting your ideas in an ebook form, in a video form, or in a template, and market it aggressively on social media. Leverage on social media. You can use the way I'm using YouTube to bring my ideas to you guys. You can use YouTube, you can use Instagram, you can use TikTok, you can use Facebook, you can use WhatsApp, whichever platforms that you like, that you're quite familiar with. You can use these platforms and market your ideas aggressively. You start selling. And another thing that I so much love about digital products is that it's not something you work on daily basis. If you are very good, you can have a whole lot of ebooks, but you can decide to have only one ebook. You can make an ebook this year and still sell it, and it will still be in demand, so far that your ideas are good, so far that the things you put down are good, at what people like to see or what people like to read. You can still sell it in the next 5 years. It's a job that you've done. Like personally, I am working on my ebook presently. It's something that, let's say I use this month to do it, I can still sell this ebook even in the next 5 years. That is how good digital product is. And you can make a whole lot of money with this business idea. You can make, if you market your ideas very well, you can make as much as 700 to 800,000 naira on daily basis. So if don't sleep on any of these business ideas I'm dropping. And the number three on my list today is influencing or content creation. So if you've not jumped on this trend, after watching this video, make sure you start working on your content creating. So some people do content creation or influencing job as a full-time job, and some people do it as a part-time job. And another good thing I love about influencing is that 1 gig can pay your 2 years salary. I have a whole lot of testimonies on this very one. So this year I want to encourage you to make a conscious decision to jump on influencing or content creation. All you need to do is to choose 1 or 2 platforms that you are conversant with and start putting out or creating quality and valuable content. Don't worry about the numbers and the figures will start rolling in over the time, but you have to be consistent. Consistency is the watchword for content creation and influencing. If you are consistent, if you are consistent and you're putting out valuable information, over time the numbers will keep rising and the figures will start rolling in. By figures, you know what I mean. So, and this brings us to number 4 on our list today. So the number 4 on my list today is real estate. So a whole lot of people are into real estate. Another good thing about real estate is that you can do it full-time or a part-time. I know of someone recently gave me a testimony of his part-time real estate job. He does this on part-time and he recently closed a deal that fetched him a whole lot of money, that he was able to buy his own house in this Lagos. This is not bobo, this is not tales by moonlight. This is a real life story. Maybe I'm going to, if you guys love this particular content of how to make money online or how to double your money in 2023, I will bring him on this platform. He's going to tell us how he was able to achieve this, how he brought his dream to life. And I think presently he has resigned from his full-time job and is now doing real estate full-time. So you can do real estate as a full-time or as a part-time, and there is a whole lot of money in real estate. Some companies pay as high as 20% commission on any deal that you close, and you know the amount of and you know what 20% commission is on when you close a deal, because these houses, they are being sold for a whole lot of money. Like that, you know what I'm talking about. If you're in Lagos, to be precise, you know how much houses are being sold in Lagos State. Let's say you are working as a real estate agent on part-time and you are able to close a deal, maybe let's say a deal of 80 million naira, and calculate the 20% commission of 80 million naira deal. You know how much you are getting. So if you're looking for a way to double your money in the year 2023, real estate is another business idea that you should not sleep on. And this brings us to number 5 on my list today, the last but not the least. So this is the number 5 on my list today is investment. So you can do investment in form of buying credible stocks, investing in treasury bill, investing in bonds, you can even buy properties. Is also an investment. You can buy landed properties, you can buy already built houses. So these are investments that you can look into. There are a whole lot of investments that you can do, but all you need to do is to make your research, make sure that the ones you are investing in, they are credible, they are legit, they are not the ones that will chop your money, not like MMM. So the ones that I've mentioned, the ones I've listed are the ones that I've tried, that I tested and trusted, that you will not lose your money when you invest in them, that you will not lose your money. And if you invest in stock, if you buy a credible stock that is doing well in the market, your dividend keep coming. It keeps coming over the years. Like for example, if you were opportune to buy the MTN stocks, even though the dividend is not much, but at least you are getting something in return. And if you're also checking your stock, you also find out that the amount you invested when you bought the stock is not the same amount that your stock is at the moment. You can also invest in NFTs, you can also invest in crypto, but make sure that they are legit and credible ones. Do your research so that you don't invest in something that will result to premium tiers. So guys, this brings us to the end of today's video. If you enjoy watching this video, if you love this type of content, please leave it in the comment section. That means I'm going to do more videos in this area. And please don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. You know there's love in sharing. Let's take this channel to the permanent side, and I will see you guys in my next one. But before then, keep smiling, keep being beautiful, and don't sleep on these business ideas that I've dropped in today's video, so that we can double our money. At the end of 2023, we'll look back and say, God has been faithful. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.